Dr. Langgeni, how are you?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Why you wearing a nice sari?
Hello, Doctor.
Yes. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
So pretty with your sharing.
Yes.
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, very beautiful. Sari.
Yes.
So, as you mentioned before, you're going to have like 3 minutes showcase, cultural showcase. Yeah.
Yeah, we will start with 3 minutes. You and have announce, and then you have to give to me, and I will announce, and then
Yeah.
there will be 2 minutes of performance, and then I will again give over to you, and then you can continue.
Okay.
Okay.
Audionya ya. Pakai apa? Oke, nggak usah pakai ini ya. Oke. Oke. Assalamualaikum Bu Rektor. Bu Rektornya nggak di sini. Nanti signingnya gimana?
Jangan diangkat.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih Bu Enda sudah hadir.
Ya, makasih Pak Amin, Mas Amin.
Sehat Bu.
Ini saya harus melakukan poliandri ini tampaknya.
Triandri.
Triandri tidak poliandri. Triandri ya. Triandri. Jadi ada di sini ada pemaparan visi misi calon rektor.
Bu Rektor punten. Bu Endang, ya, ini kan sebenarnya kita melakukan penandatanganan secara soft file udah ada gitu ya, Bu Rektor juga kan sudah tanda tangan. Nah, cuma memang pihak dari Indianya minta ada kayak dokumentasinya, makanya nanti kok Bu Endangnya freeze sinyalnya ya? Ya. Oke, jadi nanti punten mereka juga minta kita kayak tetap rekonstruksi Bu penandatanganan.
Ya, nggak apa-apa.
Ya, oke. Bu,
Ya.
punya ininya dokumennya untuk ditandatangani?
Waduh, itu berarti ada di Pak ini ya? Nggak ada tuh. Gimana? Siapa yang bisa mengirimkan ya?
Kita kirim ya Bu Rektor. Ini udah di-print Jami, biar dikirim ke Ibu ya.
Ya, oke.
Kita kira Ibu ke sini tadi, jadi ini disiapin di sini.
Oh, Masya Allah. Saya boleh ya dari sini ya?
Oh, J Bu Rektor. Nanti kirim ke ruangan Ibu, J. Nanti maksudnya mereka kepengen ada kayak screenshot-nya untuk waktu tanda tangan seperti itu. J.
Selamat siang, Pak Yos. Pak Yos, apa kabar? Kabar baik. Gimana? NTT, situasinya? Sekarang sudah ada kemungkinan ada dampak bencana di mana? Tapi bulan depan baru bisa. Aku nggak selama ya.
Dr. Langgani?
Yes.
Our rector is already here with us. So, but I think we better start in 5 minutes. Is that okay with you?
Yes, 5 minutes is okay.
Wait for the others.
Yes, Dr. Makran.
Yes, I'm here. Just 2 minutes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah,
So-
5 minutes is okay, and we can start it in 5 minutes.
Okay, good. So, who's going to be the co-host from your side? Is that you or Mr.?
Yeah, me. I will be your co-host.
All right, cool. Jangan sini aja. So your vice chancellor is already here with us, Dr. Langgani.
Yes, hello.
Yes.
Pardon, what you said?
Yeah, is your vice chancellor is already here with us?
No, I mean, he's not there. In the morning, I got a call that he will not be able to due to some urgent commitment he has. So, Dr. Makran Joshi will do the needful.
Oh, okay.
He
So,
is the head of the department of
Alright.
School of Management.
okay. So Dr. McCann will do the virtual signing, yeah?
Yes,
Okay, on behalf of your vice chancellor. How
signing
many-
is, I think so. I had already shared the document with you.
Yeah, yeah,
We will just announce the signing of the MOU.
yeah. But from your MOU, I see your vice chancellor on the on the MOU.
Yes, right.
Okay,
Already the signed MOU by our Vice Chancellor, I had shared with you.
okay. So is your students already there with you?
Yeah, only one student who is going to perform. She's already there.
Okay. So before we start our session, let me introduce you our rector, Dr. Lenggeni, and all ADPU University members. Yeah, please, Bu Dr. Endang Sulastri. And then also we invite our head of international office from our university, Mr. Endang Zakaria. I see he's already joining us also.
Okay,
Hi.
thank you.
So, Dr. Langgeni,
Yes.
Mr. Endang Zakaria is actually the head of international office from our university. And then we also, before we start, yeah. So I still the start. Okay, it's already 5 minutes as we dealt before. Okay, can we start our event, our occasion
Yes.
today?
Dr. Makaran?
Yes,
What
we can
about-
start.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's there.
Okay, how are you, Dr. Makaran?
Hello.
Halo. Oke, Bu Rektor, punten kita mulai, Bu Rektor. J.
Mas Amin Sabana.
Ya, kita mulai ya, Bu.
Iya, tadi kok susah banget masuk. Udah nggak masuk.
Oke, silakan. Saya ini udah masuk.
Baik. Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be with us all. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the MOU signing
Memang gitu ya? Apa HP-ku?
Communication Department, Faculty of Social and Political Science, University of Muhammadiyah Jakarta, and our lovely partner, Ajinkya Dipatil University. Together with us, delegates from two university also already here, yeah, ready to witness the signing, either online or offline. Yeah, so as you see, Dr. Langgeni and teams, there are also some from our university joining online. Yeah. Before I inform you our today's agenda, I propose for both university to have like an introduction session. Yeah. So from our delegates, let me introduce you. First of all, of course, the Honorable Rector of University of Muhammadiyah Jakarta, Dr. Endang Sulastri, MSc. Yeah, thank you, Ibu Endang Sulastri. And then, yeah, we are really sorry because our Dean of Faculty of Social, Political Science couldn't make it for joining today's because he has also another agenda. But together with us, we have Head of Communication Department, Dr. Octaviana Purnamasari, and all Communications Department lecturers, yeah, who also joining us this afternoon. So that's the introductions. Oh, I forgot to introduce you, our colleagues. I already mentioned you, the head of international office, Dr. Bapak Endang Zakaria, and then also there's some other head of department under our faculty. Yeah, I heard that there will be also from the other faculties, yeah, will be joining the head of department. So, and then some colleagues, and then there's also head of department from the social welfare. Social welfare is actually the oldest concentrations in under our faculty. Please welcome Pak Amin Tohari. Yeah, that's the introduction session from. Oh, we have also our first deputy dean, Dr. Evi Satispi. I'm really sorry. And also, okay, that's all from our side, Dr. Ulanggeni. I give it the mic for your side to introduce your delegates.
Thank you very much, Professor Amin. Thank you for the introduction of all the faculties from your end. So it gives me a great pleasure to welcome you to the signing of the MOU today between Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune, India, and UMJ, Indonesia. So today's signing sets a significant milestone for closer academic and research collaboration among these two universities from two different countries. I welcome all on this occasion, on this online platform, for signing the MOU between two countries, India and Indonesia. Now I would like to welcome all present over here, all the dignitaries from Indonesia as well as from India. I welcome our head of the department from School of Management, Dr. Makran Joshi. I welcome Dr. Sachin Rajas, Academic Planning Head. I also welcome Dr. Sapna Bansal, who is Head of School of Law. I welcome all my colleagues, Dr. Prajakta, Dr. Harshal Sarunke, the Kajri ma'am, and Preeti, as well as Sapna ma'am. So I welcome all of them. I also welcome our students who will be performing today on this occasion. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request Kalash to have a performance, a welcome performance. As everybody knows that in India, we initiate any function or occasion with the Vandana or Puja, which we call as worship of Lord Ganesha. So Kalash, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yes.
afternoon and welcome all.
Yes, over to you, Kalash.
Yes, ma'am.
You can on your camera.
Ma'am, am I visible?
No, not completely. If you can go a little bit far, yeah, so you will be visible completely. Yes, Kalash. I think so. It's better.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि
Ma'am, can I have a minute, please?
Yes, Kalash. You can restart. I think so due to technical issue, but she will start within a minute.
Okay, take your time.
This is a classical performance, semi-classical performance, which is being performed by our student from BBA, School of Management. So she will be performing worshipping Lord Ganesha. Yes, Kalash. Yes, Kalash, you can.
ईशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kalash. Yeah. Over to you, Professor Amin.
Okay. Wow, that was very beautiful performance.
Yes,
And
thank you.
like also to welcome from your university members for joining this historical moment, not only for you, but also for us. Okay. Now, before I go to the next agenda, I'd like to inform you our rundown of today's event. After this, we are going to play the video profile from our communication department, yeah, and then followed by speech from our Honorable Rector, Dr. Endang Sulastri, MSc, and then I will hand over again to you, yeah, to your university to give a speech. And now please welcome our short video profile.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Program Studi Ilmu Komunikasi merupakan bagian dari Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Politik Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta yang lahir pada tahun 1989.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, saya Rizky Harisnanda, alumni Prodi Ilmu Komunikasi FISIP angkatan 2009. Saat ini saya bekerja di CNN Indonesia sebagai news anchor. Selamat datang di Prodi Ilmu Komunikasi 2020. Tetap semangat, rajin belajar, dan saya tunggu di sini. Dadah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Halo, saya Alfa Taufan, alumni Ilmu Komunikasi FISIP lulusan tahun 2018. Saat ini saya sedang melanjutkan studi Master of Science Digital Society atau Teknologi dan Sosial di IIIT Bangalore, India, beasiswa dari Kementerian Komunikasi dan Informatika atau Kominfo Republik Indonesia. Tetap semangat, rajin belajar, dan saya tunggu di sini.
Okay, that was our short video profile telling us about our short profile, vision, and then our facilities, and some testimonials from our alumni. Yeah, there is one our alumni who is studying now in India also, Dr. Ranggeni and Adipiyu University members. Yeah, he's studying in Bangalore. Yeah, if you see the title, yeah, he's studying in Bangalore. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, even though we don't put the English subtitle. We are really sorry about that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all delegates, without further ado, I'd like to invite our Honorable Rector, Dr. Endang Sulastri, MSc, to give her insights into the event. Please, Dr. Endang Sulastri, floor is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Amin Sabana. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Ajinka di Petir University, di UPU, Professor Hetias Despande, the Honorable Coordinator International Relations, Ms. Kirti Longani, Dean of FISIP Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta, Dr. Makmun Murad MSI, and Vice Dean, saya lihat, I see Mrs. Evi Satisfi, Dr. Evi Satisfi, all head of department, especially head of communication department, Dr. Octaviana Purnamasari, and all of the lecturer from FISIP Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta, and all participant from EDI UPU yang insya Allah dalam rahmat Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I to ask you to open this will go smoothly and provided benefit for both university. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bu Endang, maaf sinyalnya keluar ya. We're really sorry for the technical issues, Dr. Onanggeni, and
Can you hear my voice?
Rector.
Using my phone, Pak Ali, Pak Amin?
Yes, Pandang.
Okay. I'm beside Rector.
I'm sorry because my connection is bad ya.
Okay, no problem.
Jakarta, it is my pleasure to get from Hedias Despande, Vice Chancellor of EDUPU. Who are you? Hello? Okay. And of course, to all EDUPU members who also attend our today event.
Pandang. Okay. So, well, actually,
Pak Amin?
yes.
Pak Amin, can you hear me?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Therefore, we also bring Dean of FISIP Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta, Mr. Makmun Mu'rod. Mr. Makmun Mu'rod, I apologize that the Dean of Social Political Science cannot join this virtual meeting because he has the other program. I also want to thanks very much Dr. Octaviana communication program for making our collaboration possible. Having this opportunity, we are very proud with our cooperation as stated in the MOU. I hope we can conduct to the corporate board university.
We apologize again for the technical issues. Because our honorable rector, his building is not in our faculty, so.
Hello.
Yes, Bu Rector.
Hello.
Yes, Bu Rector, please continue.
Yeah, I am sorry because unstable. Areas of our collaboration are first the exchange publication, information, and other educational and research material. Second, collaboration of faculty and research scholar. And third, cohesion in the implementation of student internship, study abroad, and exchange program. Fourth, joint research in the field technology, economic, management, language, education, Sharia and law, Islamic studies, counseling and social work, because we have 10 faculty and 54 department. I hope in future we collaboration with my faculty and department other. Fifth, professional meeting for education and research, such as conference, seminar, symposium, and so on. Six, faculty exchange. Seven, student exchange. Eight, staff and faculty development. Nine, program exchange for university management and advancement. And then 10, any other areas of cooperation to be mutually agreed upon by the parties. Even though this collaboration will take place mostly online for the time being, I hope we can do it in person after the pandemic is under control, inshallah. I'd like to thank and congratulate again for the two universities on their upcoming collaboration following the signing of the Memorandum of Standing today. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for our Honorable Rector, Dr. Endang Sulastri, for your remarkable speech. I would like also to give this opportunity to our faculty, deputy dean faculties. Maybe Dr. Evi Satispi, you want to add something? Bu Evi, mau menambahkan? Okay. Okay, let's go to another agenda. Okay, Dr. Langgeni and all the DPU University members, that's speech from our Honorable Rectors. And now I hand over the floors into your side, please.
Yeah, thank you. I'm very pleased to initiate and witness the commitment of this collaboration and this MOU to leverage on each other. I believe such collaboration is both timely and relevant. I'm also confident that this international partnership will drive a new wave of world-class development in academic and research. And I have a special thanks to our VC, Professor Hridesh Deshpande, who had motivated me to take this initiative. I also thank Dr. Makrand Joshi sir, who was always supportive for this initiative and this academic and research collaboration. I also thank all my colleagues for their support, and I expect such support in future for commencing and all the activities which we are going to do under this MOU. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you for being supportive and for this MOU. Now, before giving to Dr. Makrand Joshi, I would like to show a video from our side. So I'm just putting on the video.
Yes, please.
It takes a new form of education to prepare students for the society that is upcoming. And that's why the focus on innovation is critical, and that is the focus that the university has taken up.
Ours is a special university simply because we do not make mere professionals here. We make better human beings.
This university mainly focuses on value creation.
Everything is filled with a lot more of fun, and it just makes you filled with more optimism, and we have a lot of things to get inspired.
You just feel like coming to college every day.
We ask the students to focus more on the imagination part of it, intuition part of it, rather than the historical facts and figures.
Ajinkya D.Y. Patel University offers tremendous flexibility to the students in choosing the subjects they want to study. This is the key aspect through which students can determine where lies their future.
So we are not just very specific to our course, we are taught every subject from every branch.
It is said that everyone do not have the same type. We have different fortes, we have different space of interest.
Ajinkya D.Y. Patel University offers a future-focused, standards-based curriculum. And we follow these international standards with complete rigor, and we ensure that our syllabus is built around these international standards.
We believe that our students need to rub shoulders with talent across the globe.
In the times of globalization, unless we internationalize our education, this education would be incomplete.
One of the reasons why we have tie-ups with universities abroad is to help our students get the kind of opportunities, the kind of exposure that they require working in global environments.
They get that international understanding, which is so very critical in this globalized world.
We focus on T-shaped professionals who are not only experts in their domain, but also know the importance of other skills to make them the winners of tomorrow.
A T-shaped professional is a professional where the vertical of the T depicts the depth of a discipline, and the horizontal of the T is the breadth.
We try to imbibe these values of innovation and constantly ideating, changing, innovating.
We have a great platform by the name Innovation Factory, where industry problems are brought in, and students from multidisciplinary teams across different schools, depending on what is the nature of the problem that we are solving, come together under the guidance of a faculty and solve that problem. And that is what gives students the real life experience in the real sense, and not just theoretically.
The best part is the campus itself, the greenery in the campus, the silence, the peace that the campus has.
It's very scenic, it gives a very pleasant feeling.
It's full of all space, nature, and it's colorful.
It's a different experience every morning when I enter here.
The quality of life for the student is great over here, because students are able to express themselves in so many different ways which otherwise would not have been possible for them.
This is one place that you have to be a part of sometime in your life.
And that's what is this university about, that it is the coolest university.
This is the coolest university.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I would request Dr. Makran Joshi, Head of the Department, School of Management. He is postgraduate in Business Administration with a specialization with Strategic Management. His PhD, doctor program is also in Strategic Management. He has a vast experience of industry and academic. So I welcome Dr. Makran Joshi and hand over to him.
Thank you, Dr. Kirti. And thank you, Dr. Indang and Dr. Amin and his team from UMJ. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor Ritesh Deshpande, was supposed to speak on this occasion, but unfortunately he is not here due to some urgent professional commitments. So I have been given this responsibility to address the gathering. I won't take much time. It's just that a few things that any international collaboration, any international academic collaboration is actually done for two basic reasons. One is to broaden the vision, and the second is to widen the horizons. So to broaden our own visions and to widen our own horizons, we seek international collaborations. And international collaborations come up with complementary skills and knowledge, which can be collaborated to come up with new things for the world. So this is the only purpose of international collaboration. It is extremely important that all the faculty members, the students, get international exposure to the culture, to the practices of various countries. The students should learn to respect those cultures and practices and respect each other. That's all from me. Thank you very much, Universities Muhammadiyah, Jakarta, for entering into a collaboration with Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University by signing a memorandum of understanding. And I hope this MOU will take us long in our academic pursuits. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Madan Joshi. Thank you very much for your speech. Thank you. Over to you, Professor Amin.
It's my biggest compliment when you say me, Professor Amin. Okay, Dr. Macaron, thank you very much for your time. I know you're very busy. Out of your busy schedule, you still be here with us to do the signing ceremony. Okay, ladies and
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, all delegates from the two universities, now we come to the most important part of our occasions, today's occasions, which is the signing of a memorandum of understanding by two universities, which will take place virtually. So actually, we already had the MOU signed by your Vice Chancellor, but we have to reconstruct. So we have the video documentation for the signing ceremony. So I'd like to invite our rector, Dr. Endang Sulastri, and then Dr. Macaron, to sign the MOU. Yeah. So how about that, Dr. Langgani?
Yeah, actually the
Yes,
MOU
sir.
over here has been already signed by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ridesh Deshpande.
please
I'll
look
just-
at my phone for Rector MJ.
Yeah.
I'll just show this to you. This is the MOU between Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University and
So both universities just show it that we already signed the MOU, right? Okay.
Yes.
yes, yes.
Bu Endang, maybe after you sign the ceremony, you can show it to us, Bu Endang.
Okay, our rector will sign by my phone here.
Yeah, this is what is signed by
Yeah,
the
Bapak.
vice chancellors of both the universities.
Okay. Okay. Rector FMJ will show the MOU document.
Okay.
Yes, this is Rector MJ.
Okay,
Show
okay.
the MOU document.
Photo.
All of us.
Well, actually, we record these occasions, Dr.
Yeah.
Lang and Dr. Macaron. So don't worry, we already have the documentations. Yeah, so that's from our side. Yeah, our rector.
Okay, enough.
You the documents. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, enough. Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. I know that my colleagues and even all my now new partners, that is from Jakarta, are feeling excited and optimistic while thinking about this new and wonderful possibility that is coming through between these two universities, entering into this partnership and this collaboration. The 21st century will present new and unknown challenges and opportunities. So our vision for future is widening the horizon of academic efforts as well as research. So I hope this collaboration will bring new academic partnership and new partnership in research. So I wish everyone a good luck for all the activities which are going ahead with this MOU. Thank you from my side. And again, I would thank all dignitaries present over here, HOD of ADYPU, Dean, and the head from all the heads from Jakarta, so UMJ Jakarta. And I even thank all HODs who have joined from ADYPU. So I especially thank Dr. Sapna Bansal, Dr. Bishwajit Champati, then Dr. Sachin Rajas, head of different departments, Dr. Manju, and all my colleagues who have joined today. Special thanks to my colleague from Department of Management, Dr. Prajakta, Dr. Harshal Sarunke, Professor Yugantar, and Sapna, Dr. Sapna Bansal, all faculties present over here, and special thanks for the beautiful performance which is been performed by Kalash Pandey. And at this end, my other student also have a thank you note performance for everyone. So Professor Amin, shall I go for the thank you note performance, or you have something to say?
Okay, let me add something, Dr. Langeni. Yes. From our side, we also excited with this important moment because for your information, University of Muhammadiyah Jakarta is the oldest university under the Muhammadiyah Islamic organizations. In Indonesia, there are two biggest Islamic organizations. Yeah, one of them is Muhammadiyah. So we are so proud for these occasions. Again, we would like to thank with our rector who already attend these occasions, and then we'd like also thank to our dean of faculty of social and political science and all the deputies, and then of course special thanks to our head of department, Dr. Octaviana Pernamasari, and all the lecturers who make these collaborations is possible, because we look forward to having the implementations of our MOU. Last, Dr. Langeni and Dr. McCarran, our university aim is we'd like to internalizations of our university. Yeah, we are trying very hard to be one of the leader university, not only in Jakarta but also in a global side. Okay, so that's why we look forward to having these occasions. Okay, after the signing, we will email the scan of MOU. Well, actually, we already did. And if you have another performance, please, time is yours.
Thank you, Professor Amin. Thank you. And immediately after this MOU, we are going to start different activities like faculty exchange program. Now it will be online, and very soon it will be offline as soon as the borders will open. After this, hope the pandemic will be covered soon. And we will have faculty exchange, student exchange, lecturer exchange program. From now, we will start online immediately, might be next month or coming this month. And even please open yourself for co-research also. We are going to have co-research and publication of our research papers and research projects. So thank you, Amin, and all the dignitaries present over here. I would like to close this ceremony with a note of thank you with a semi-classical dance by one of our student, Ruchika. So I'm just putting it on. She had sent the signal was weak at her end, so she had sent her recorded performance.
Yeah, that's performance.
Thank you, Ruchika, for this wonderful performance.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm honored and humbled that you have given, my professors have given me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ruchika, and thank you, Kalash, also for the opening ceremony, the performance for the opening ceremony. Thank you, Kalash. Thank you, Ruchika. Yes. Over to you, Amin.
Okay, Dr. Langani, that was really beautiful performance. Okay, before I close our signing ceremony, I'd like to update you something. We are now preparing an international conference, which will be held on 20th August. So it will be our first collaborations, yeah, between the two universities. Of course, as stated in the MOU, you will be the co-host for the international conference. Yeah, we will update you after we done with the team, with the schedule. Yeah, and then we can work out how you can take part for the international conference. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, all delegates, finally we come to the end part of our occasions. Once again, we would like to thank you again for our strategic partner, Ajinkya Di Patil University India, for making this international cooperations happen. Yeah. We cannot wait seeing you again soon to discuss more technical meetings to implement one by one of the collaboration as stated in the MOU. Thank you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank you, Dr. Endang Sulastri. Both the universities will go in for great collaborations in future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Makarun, Dr. Kirti, thank you.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Amin, with your consent, shall we leave the meeting?
Yes, we will invite you, yeah, Dr. Michael, for the international conference. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Stay healthy, guys. Okay. Ya, udah.
Udah foto tadi.
Oke. Bu Rektor, terima kasih Bu Endang atas waktunya. Bu Evi juga udah keluar ya. Pak Endang Zakaria, terima kasih sudah hadir. Tunggu, Bu Endangnya belum keluar. Jangan jadi udah keluar ya, Bu Endang? Belum. Jangan leave dulu.
Belum keluar, belum.
Yes, I mean, it's went well. Thank you.
Yes, Dr. Ranggeni.
Yes, and please share the video recording of the same.
Yeah, I will share you the link. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you again.
And then we will talk about the upcoming events and upcoming activities which we can plan since this month. Like we can plan from April itself, I think.
Yeah. Will do.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Dr. Ranggeni.